Hey y'all, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Michaela Janae here, back with another video, and today's video should be a quick one. So a lot of times on my videos I get a lot of comments and people are asking me to refer some products to them or recommend some products to them that would best work for their hair. They tell me what their hair is going through and then I tell them which would be better just based off the information that they gave me. But I would like this video to be a reference of all of my current favorite shampoos and conditioners. This is a highly requested video, so this is everything that I love in one place. This is not in any type of order, like from my most loved to my least loved. I really love all of these for different reasons. Some of them being price point, some of them being accessibility, some of them being moisture, protein, detangling factors. There's a lot that goes into picking a shampoo and conditioner, but my main goal with all of these is to moisturize and hydrate the hair. So all of these shampoo and conditioners will be hydrating. None of these will strip your hair or leave your hair feeling dry or brittle. All of these should leave your hair soft. These are products that I stand behind their current formula and I have used for a good little minute. But I don't want to do too much talking. You see my little shampoo section in the back. I am in the salon right now. Let's just hop right into the video. So first and foremost, I have the Joico K-Pack Color Therapy Shampoo and Conditioner, and I have done review and demos on all of these shampoo and conditioners. They're all my favorite, all 5 stars. So this one right here is one that I started using a long time ago because this is one of my mother's favorites. She's used this when she was working at Style America way back in the day. This is really good for color treated hair. It is a color safe shampoo, but not only is it color safe, I recommend it to people who also does not have color because it is very hydrating. I love it. The price point is on the higher end, but not as high as other items. And this line is said to preserve your color and repair damage. So it's kind of a 2-for-1, so that's why I like to recommend it. Even if you're not colored or have a relaxer, it does really well when it comes to the repairing of the damage. So that is the first one that I would recommend. Is this the most hydrating on the list? No. If you have colored hair with damage or without damage, I would recommend this one. This shampoo and conditioner should do what you need it to do. Next up, I have one of my favorites, but this one is more on the higher end when it comes to price wise. This is the Redken All Soft Mega Curls. This line kind of did get revitalized. It used to just be All Soft Mega. They do have a regular All Soft. That's something that you'll most likely find in like the Marshalls, TJ Maxx and stuff like that, which I do not recommend you getting your hair products from places like that because you don't know how old it is, and sometimes, most of the times, they're actually not reputable dealers of that product. So that's a whole nother video. Go to Ulta, go to like a JCPenney's, Sephora, places like that that are reputable dealers of these products. They are going to be a little bit more expensive, but the quality will be better and they will be more fresh. So back to this product, it's higher end, but it is like peak moisture. If you have natural hair that is dry and you want your curls to be popping and you have a little bit extra money to spend, try this line out. This line is very hydrating and it is worth the money. It is one of my hands down favorite, but as you can see, you don't see it behind me because it's something that's not always practical to keep in the salon when there are things that are a little bit cheaper that work just as good. But this product is top notch. Whenever it goes on sale in Salon Centric, I love to pick it up and keep it in a liter because it's just so good. It works so well. It's so hydrating, and I also like the other styling products in this line. So this shampoo and conditioner is perfect for those who are natural. They might have some brittle curls, they might have dry hair and they're looking for hydration. This is the line for you because the All Soft Mega Curls is mega hydrating. Really love this line. Next up, I have another shampoo and conditioner duo by Redken. This is definitely high up there in price, but it does what it needs to do for those who it's for. Okay, so that is the Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate line. Not only is the shampoo and conditioner great, but the entire line as a system is amazing. This was Redken's answer to like Olaplex and K18. This is what we use in the salon when it comes to bond repair on chemically treated hair. When I say chemicals, I mean this is for relaxed girls and colored girls. You can also use this line if you just have regular damage, but with the price point, I would more so say angle it towards those who are chemically treated in some type of way, because it will really be worth it for you guys, and you will begin to see a difference for your hair. This is just amazing for whether you're natural or relaxed, whether you have bone straight hair and you have colored hair. It just works amazing for you. Bonding technologies in this product does wonders, and it really does help to repair hair over time. I've seen it for myself. It really does fortify the hair, and I literally have it back here. You can see it right there. It is one of my favorites to use, and this is one that I will always spend the money on and keep in the salon, because it is worth it. When you are working on a long color service, or you have someone who is blonde and you want to maintain that blonde, keep the hair on their head, go ahead and use the Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate. I will not recommend Olaplex on this channel. I do not recommend K18, which it might be a great product, but I like to find a line and stick to it, and I'm sick beside Redken. So this is for the girlies who have a little bit of extra money to spend and have chemically treated hair or just severely damaged hair. I've seen a lot of girls with severely damaged hair and they use this line and it works amazing. So relaxed, severely damaged, or color treated, this line is for you. So next up, I have another one that is a good general moisture product. Next up, we have one of my all-time favorites, and stuff that you see behind me, you see the green, it is Matrix Food for Soft. This is another general hydration moisture, good for everybody, every hair texture, a good all the time shampoo and conditioner. It's Matrix Food for Soft. The price point is on the lower end. That is something that we like keep all of the time in the salon. And it's something that you can all the time keep in your shower or wherever you wash your hair. It's just good. It's hydrating. It's moisturizing. I love it for all the time, and I love it for everybody, no matter their hair texture. I've used this on people with locks even, because it is hydrating and it's also not too heavy. It's just a line that has a really great price point. So I really enjoy this product. They did what they needed to do when it comes to curly hair, natural hair, dry hair. This product is very hydrating for all types of hair. So if you are looking for a good shampoo that's just a general shampoo and conditioner to use when your hair is dry, even if your hair is not dry, this one is for you. If you say, oh, my hair isn't really dry, I don't have that problem, if you're just looking for a good shampoo and conditioner that I would recommend for you, it would be this one. Go ahead, go over to Ulta, use a coupon, and go pick this up. Especially right now, they have like 20% off all brands, the $3.50 off, stuff like that. Go ahead and go pick these up, and you will see a difference in the hydration of your hair, even if you think you don't need it. It has great slip. It's very moisturizing. I love this product. Okay, so next up, I think I have something that is definitely the lowest of the price points, but it gets the job done. So if you're like, I don't have the money to spend on shampoo conditioner like all those other products that I listed, I need it low. Okay, I need base level, but I still need that good quality. It's Cream of Nature. I have it back here. I use it in the salon on some of my clients, especially my lock clients. This is hydration, and this is drugstore hydration. There may be other products out there that are maybe just as good, or if not better, in the drugstore, but this is what I use, and this is what we have used for many years. I used this when I was relaxed. I love it. It is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil, and it is the Moisture and Shine shampoo and conditioner. It's way different than the rest. The shampoo does have like a yellow tint to it. The conditioner is very thick, but if you have coarse dry hair and you are looking for a inexpensive shampoo and conditioner, this is for you. This can be picked up right there at Walmart, $5, real cheap, real easy to access. You can find it even at some dollar stores. It's really good. It's a good general shampoo and conditioner. If your hair is damaged, I would probably recommend something a little bit stronger, but if you're just looking for moisture, or you're looking for a good shampoo and conditioner that is cheap, you're in between your expensive products, you might not can afford anything else, Cream of Nature. Even if you can afford something else, Cream of Nature. For your kids, your daughters, anyone above, I'd want to say seven and up, Cream of Nature. That is what we recommend to children, because it is the hydration without too many different chemicals, different things that the shampoo and conditioner is trying to do. You know, certain brands are like, okay, it's trying to clarify or it's trying to fortify. When it comes to kids, they need to keep it simple, but I'm going to recommend this for the older kids, you know, your teenagers. It's very accessible. Sometimes you don't want to waste money on shampoo and conditioner when your children are still trying to learn how to do their own hair, or you're doing it for them. This is the perfect product for you. We stand by Cream of Nature Argan Oil. Okay, it is amazing. Do I use this when I want to do a silk press? No, this is not my silk press shampoo and conditioner. This is like a good blow dry, a natural style, stuff like that. That's what I like to use it for, only because it is a little bit more on the heavy side. But sometimes you want a heavy flat iron because you need that moisture, okay? You never know. There's different things. That's why I say I give you guys recommendations based off the information given. If your hair is very dry and this is what you have, use it, okay? If you have the right techniques and the right products, the right tools, your silk press is going to come out good regardless, okay? Sometimes you need a little bit of that heavier product. But me, as far as a professional hairstylist, this is not what I would use for a silk press. So next up, I have something that is new to me but old to my mother. She's been using it for a very long time, but she just put me on game. It is the Nexxus Therapy Ultimate Moisture Shampoo and the Humectress Ultimate Moisture Conditioner. I love these products. I'm so late to the game. I know I've seen like the Glam Twins, who are very popular natural hair YouTubers. They've used this over the years and I absolutely love this. Right now you can go to Costco and get the liter for $20. This is way more on the affordable side because that is $10 a piece. But let me just tell you, the quality is not giving cheap. The quality is not giving less than. And don't just think this is for Caucasian hair. This is for everyone's hair. This product is amazing. It is hydrating. I would use this for a silk press. I would use this for my natural hair. It's a very good general moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. Everybody's hair needs moisture and this is my go-to. I love this product even though I just recently started using it. And it says it has elastin and protein and green caviar. Like I said, those are little extra things which I wouldn't use this on kids. Probably the only thing I would use on kids is the cream of nature. But this one right here is so moisturizing and it is one of the lower price points and you can't even tell. It is very good. When it comes to favorites, it's definitely at the top. It's definitely at the top for me. Okay, so next up, and I think this is the last one, I have been raving about this product for weeks. You guys know I do a lot of hair videos. I do a lot of product reviews. So not too often do I try a product and instantly fall in love and it just changes my brain chemistry. That's what this product did. It is the Nexxus anti-breakage system. When I tell you, it changed my life. This product line leaves the best smell in your hair. And let me just tell you, a lot of shampoo and conditioners, their smell does not linger in your hair for very long, which the one I just showed you, that one literally smells like candy. This one is a little bit more on the perfumey side, but it smells so good. It cleans the hair so well. Then the conditioner comes in and just hydrates. This is my new ultimate, okay, forever favorite shampoo and conditioner. It's probably #1 right now. When it comes to moisture, silk pressing, if you're someone who likes to just be a straight natural, this is what you get. Once again, $20 at Costco right now. Right now. Like, I can literally show you. These are my extras right here, and I have some more right here. I'm not playing. I'm not playing. I'm not playing. That's how serious it is. And right now, they're on sale at Costco. Like I keep telling you, $20. And I'm going to go get some more because I don't want to run out. That's an amazing price for an amazing product. When I tell you, for the silk presses, it does what it needs to do. Even without a deep conditioner, even without the Mazzani hydration deep conditioner, when I do my silk presses, this right here was just that, and it just gets it straight. It gets it flowy. It doesn't weigh it down. As you can hear, I love it. So those two are good for general moisture. If you're someone who does your silk presses at home, or if you're a hairstylist, get this line right here. Like, you're not gonna regret it. It is so good. It's so good. I love it. I enjoyed it. It's definitely top of the list for me right now. It's definitely top of the list for me right now. Yeah, and of course over the years there were different things that I used, but these are my favorites. I want you to be able to come back to this video and be like, okay, let me go through this list and try some stuff out. If one doesn't work for you, move on to the next. But all of these products are hits. You just have to see what is a hit for your hair needs right now. Some of them are general and they'll work amazing at all times, but none of these are like, oh, it's a specialty like Olaplex. None of them has gonna. All of these work well with all types of hair. In this salon, we don't only do natural hair. We don't only do relaxed hair. We don't only do curly hair. We do all types of hair, men and women, locks. When it comes to my locks, I love the Cream of Nature. I love the Food for Soft. Go ahead and try different things out. Try out different price points. Use coupons, you know, get it on sale. We just had a Black Friday. But invest in your hair. And I say that even with some of these products being as cheap as $10, people will still go to the Tresemme and the Aussie. Treat yourself a little bit better and treat your hair a little bit better, and you'll get better results. I find that so many Black women especially don't like their hair. They don't like what they see by itself in its natural state, or even with the relaxer, they don't like it and they don't prefer it. Do what you need to do. Get the basic products you need to buy to make yourself not only love your hair but enjoy it. So many of us, we were blessed with hair on our heads and we're not enjoying it. We rather cover it up, try to make it longer, try to make it this vision of what we view beauty standards to be. But let me just be the one to tell you right now that your hair is beautiful, period, with nothing done to it. It is professional with nothing done to it, okay? With no extra, without the braids, without the clip-ins. Your hair is professional, your hair is beautiful because you were blessed with it. And it's important to just make it work for you. Find a style that works for you, and it's not going to be what works for other people. Your curl texture doesn't have to look like someone else's to be great. You just have to find out how to make your hair work for you, and then it'll all fall into place. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all are enjoying Michaela month. Once again, this is another recorded upload day. It's Thursday. I hope you all had a blessed day. It's almost a weekend and I'll be able to stock up on some videos. If you have any questions about any of these products, go ahead, give me a little rundown of your hair history and I will say which one you should use. But basically, I said it all right here. Let me know if you have any further questions and I will see you guys tomorrow.